Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Rajat, and today we'll be solving another LeetCode question. Okay, this was something I was searching on, and today we'll be solving LeetCode 7 reverse integer. It's a medium level question, and this is first time that I'm trying a medium level question on my channel. So let's begin. So the question says, given a signed 32-bit integer x, return x with its digits reversed. If reversing x causes the value to go on outside the signed integer 32-bit integer range, that is minus 2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1, then return 0. Assume the environment doesn't allow you to store 64 integers, uh, signed or unsigned int. Okay, fine. Let's finish. So let's go about to our friend Miss Paint. Let's see what we have to do in the algorithm. So, so basically, we are given a number 123. We have to convert it to 321, right? And this is a very familiar algorithm number. Yeah. So we have num that is equals to 0. Then while x is what we have to do is none. This is really problematic with things. I have to buy a tab or something. Okay. So basically what we have to do is that we have to find the remainder, okay, and that is equals to x not 10. We'll finally find first three. Then we will do num into 10 plus 3. Okay. We have to just continue this again and again till we find x is 0. Also, we have to check whether x is, in the meantime, we have to also check whether num is like falls into the range of 2 to the power 31. Yes. Okay. 2 to 31 minus 4. We have to check whether it falls into this range or not. So it's pretty simple. Let's move to it. Okay. So the question, okay, let's define what is like. Okay, yeah, int num. Okay, if how to begin with it. First, let me check whether the incoming x is smaller than 0 or not, whether it's signed or unsigned. Okay, so let's check this out. Bool is signed equal to x is less than equal to 0. Okay, so this should do. If it's signed, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Okay, while this, I will take just var thumb and it will be absolute of x. This should be absolute of x. So now, while term and being equals to 0 and picture the word, and also we have to take and this where that came from, it's because of my habit of writing code in C sharp. In C sharp, you can write just without any uh, assigning any type of object to it in class to it. So that's why I thought I work as a backend engineer. So that's why I write code in C sharp, and in C sharp we can do this. So it's really hectic. But anyway, we are taking int, and for num it's zero. Okay, right? And num is greater than equals to int max, and num is smaller than equals to int min. Sorry, int max and greater than equals to int min. Just to write in it. Okay. Till then, what we have to do, if here what we can do is that if temp equals to zero, temp equals to zero, then we know that our reversification has been done and it's complete. So we can just simply return num. Otherwise, we have to check here whether, okay, so if it's not equal to null, then we can simply just know that reversification failed, so we will return zero. And if temp is zero, we'll check a is signed. So if it is signed, then we will return uh, what like -1 into num. Also, we'll just return num. That's it. So our return statement is ready. Let me just repeat it for you. If temp is not equal to zero, this means that maybe for this reason you couldn't do the complete reversification. So we stop the while loop. So what we would do is that we will zero as per the given condition here. That if it lies outside the 32-bit range, then we will return zero. And so so we are returning zero here. And suppose in the case that temp is equals to zero, that means that diversification was done and it was successful. So first we'll check whether it's signed or not. If it is signed, then we'll return -1 into num, which basically is making it into a signed integer. And otherwise, if it's false, then we'll return just num. There's no need to multiply anything. Okay. Now we have to do it. Num is equal to num into 10. Okay, you have to actually check. Otherwise, it will say me. Okay, okay, I found something. Okay, wait. Okay, let's see. Plus term, term is 10. Here's the reminder, and we are good to go. Then I will just simply 10. Okay, so this is how it should happen. I am doubting this condition because suppose in some case, this is where it can overflow and stop the loop. So what I can do is that I can use a try catch block, but usually we don't use that in DSL. I can definitely try. Let's write it down there. Okay, and so here and catch block. I will just simply write return 0. See if it be. Don't create any kind of errors. Let's see. I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. This is, and I got scared a bit. What happened? Hmm. Okay, what's, I think there is no need to do parentheses. This is how we write it to C sharp. Okay. Let me just search if log any C. Um, yes, this. How do they write it? Exception type. Okay. Mm, okay, we can just use dot dot dot. That should do. It handles quite well. And yes, yes, yes. Now what I should do is that I should put it then let let the compiler decide what to do with that new type of thing. Okay. Okay, let me just write auto set num equal to then check me. Yeah, it's still following up. Should I be putting it into none? Hmm. What if I convert the data type of num into long? Okay, let's just do it. I'm just guessing here. I'm not sure. I mean, I have submitted this probably 3 times now. Then, like, hmm, okay. Then this user test case. It's really good. Yeah. Hmm. Confused how I'm supposed to do it. Hmm. Uh, yes, see for anything. There is one that's typically not. I suppose there were certain bit manipulation formats, videos and teacher in the manipulation. Well, this is not how you're supposed to work. We are just falling down by some check. Long check now is equal to normal Kutani. Okay. It's I don't want to give up so easily in this. Uh, I don't see any issue here, but somehow just I'm feeling going somewhere. Let me just check the solution. You know, editorial, uh, editorial is locked, sorry, editorial is locked, creation window. It's from, again, our old friend, next solution. We do a push, this question didn't allow us to use 6 definition. So wrong, but I think it's good to have multiple solutions for your interview. We should use to solve this question solution one, convert this to okay. Should we take it again and convert this to video? How? Um, realizing this is something that's okay. Okay. Mm. You inconvenience fingers, but then speaking of really good. And it's pretty far. That's implemented. There's the know, and that's implemented, you know. Yeah, this is what we do with the adoption. Right. Okay, so we'll just check. Let's just I don't know if if num is little running problem. If it is 1 0. Signed then maybe or not. Otherwise we can just return now. Does it work now? We can remove the try catch, maybe. Oh, it did work. Okay. So yeah. Now we can just remove this. Yes. We can remove this. We can. We should submit our problem now. We just turn it into long. We are so close, yet we are so far. Yes. This doesn't work in C plus plus. Okay. Find another solution to any. Yeah, this is from a guy named Thakur Gaurav 14. Shout out to you. The problem requires us to reverse the approach itself and use the lights of it. Okay, yes, it should have been there. I missed this. What we were doing is that we were creating a check name by auto. So divided by we were multiplying the number and then we were checking for internals. But instead of that, we could use anything to max data. Yeah. Yes, yes. We missed this. The name of the leaf. Mhm. Let's write this guy's code. Mm, long term big zero. Okay. Uh, keep on. But while this person has done the check after the leak twice. Hmm. This is what we did, right? Exactly what we did anyway in the solution itself. Right? I don't know. If let's see. Let's all knows it's still overflow, right? Yeah, I mean, the cases where it should have hasn't handled that sign generated piece. Yeah, there's another solution actually. So, so just saying, so okay, there's no solution either. We take this one and summarize the info that goes at the lead to the okay, this is fair actually. So let us do the check. Check supposed to be there. I didn't know. Is then I was so close to that thing. I did put the right check, but in the wrong place and in the wrong year. And we go. Okay. Oh, of course it is. Should work. If it works, I will definitely do it. And this right. This there's no way. Does this work? Does this work? It's How come? What was the issue? Just I just need to change this or what? Or do I have to put a bracket around it? Okay, thank you. Did a good job. Made a mistake which I couldn't see. I think this will work. I have no idea. Cool. Yeah, this works. Let me just do this code. And finally, we completed it. Let me just check what we have done the same thing. I've done the same thing. That's pretty good. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Like, I did bit struggle a lot, but somehow I have managed. It was a good one, actually. It's a bit of thriller. I mean, I miss this brainstorming. I used to do it in college, but now I don't have to do it. Most of the things are already handled. So, but yeah, really, this was a good problem, actually. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.